What's going on, guys? Back with another POV. This one is actually from the passenger side. So my girlfriend's going to react to Stage 2 Plus for the first time. So you'll be telling me if it's faster or not, like if you can tell the difference. Because since I changed the plugs, she hasn't been in the car since that. So, you know, just a little POV, passenger POV, reaction to the speed. Still giving you guys some pops. There's a sick tunnel coming up though, so that should sound good under there. Kind of like sunset too, you know? It's a good time to record. I don't think. Jeez. There's traffic though. Might not even get to the
It's a lot harder to hold with me.
You can feel the difference in speed already though, eh?
Yeah. No, my hand is just shaking.
I think I should be in that lane over there.
Yeah, you go left.
No, like I can't turn left in this lane. I have to go in this one.
Yeah. Here's the tunnel.
Good guy. Good guy.
You have to go in the other lane to do it.
Nothing too crazy.
No, because there's a lineup of traffic.
Yeah. The last time I came under here, I actually went in that lane to do it, but I would not be able to get back in this one.
No.
Middle or ever now.
There's some people walking.
There's a lot of people, but...
No, there's nobody walking.
No?
Yeah, it's only one.
My God, that sounds brutal. Imagine
that.
after the rest delete. Imagine.
We need the sunset back. Oh.
I'm gonna give you a pull soon though, like once we have the room for a pull.
If we're out of traffic?
Maybe over the bridge.
Okay.
You can feel it spinning. Hey, but today is February 20th and I'm at 1.5k subs. My subscribers are going off crazy. Because remember, before February started, I said by the end of February, I'm hoping to get to
1K.
Yeah. And like by February 10th or 13th, I think it was, when I got to 1K.
Yeah.
And like,
earlier.
Today's February 20th and I'm at 1.5. So I might get to 2K before the end of February. I don't know if we can, but you know, I think it's definitely possible. We'll see about it though, but that's crazy. Like the support's crazy on the videos. Jeez. But I talked to a guy today for the springs and the res delete, so hopefully that's gonna be done next week. I'm hoping because I need my springs. So once that's installed, you guys probably can't even hear me. But yeah, once that's installed and I get my res delete, I'm gonna do my new wheels March 1st. The first thing I'm changing, because I have to wait until March. That's just a law here. So once I get the new wheels on, you guys have been killing me in the comments like get new wheels, get new wheels. So March, new wheels are coming. I already have the rims, I just gotta put them on. But the car's gonna be looking way better with the springs, rims. Fitment should be perfect.
The bridge is still always packed.
Like look, show the car. Show, like, I don't understand how people drive. Like, it's been there for like 20 seconds just with this blinker.
Go on that lane. There's two arrows.
I don't know if he's going or not.
Just go. He's so slow. Who cares? Okay, now
go. The sunset was here though. The bridge looks so good.
So pretty. Oh, you guys missed the sunset. He didn't show it. It's been a long time.
Jeez,
who is that?
That's a Vimmer. It looks like an X6, yeah.
The SUV?
Yeah. I'm just about to give you guys some more little pulls, maybe some pops and stuff like that, and then end it off because it's really dark, so I doubt you guys can see anything. Ooh, that one was loud. I pass through here every day with my pops.
Yeah. Neighbors getting not even close.
Yeah, that's weekend. Still haven't gotten that fixed yet.
Do you think the Audi's back?
Yeah. Yeah, I showed in some of my videos.
Oh, it's
It's not
gone.
crazy though. I don't think it's modded or nothing.